All right, good evening. 1092.75 is our price here on the E-mini futures. We've had an interesting 2 days. We had a huge sell-off. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars the last half hour of yesterday's close. That took us straight down to the close of about 1073, and then today we actually ticked a new low down here near 1070 here in the opening 10 o'clock hour. And then we proceeded from there to rise up today, and again, on a lot less volume today than yesterday's sell-off. The plunge protection team, FOMC, came in for whatever reason and took us back up. We were hanging under here around 1080, and then a buy program came in right at 2 o'clock, as you can see here on the chart, and ramped us up from 1080 to as high as 1094 here in the after hours. So we're back to this elusive 1100 area. This will be our third test of it. So we're either due to break over it tomorrow on a Friday, or that could be it for now. Again, I see some declining highs here. It'll all depend on tomorrow's action, of course, into the close. But you can see there's a little. We've had lower lows here and higher, or excuse me, lower lows and lower highs as we've proceeded here. This is a 30-minute chart, and you can see this kind of clearly. 1 high, 2 highs, and 3 highs up in here. So there's got a little bit of a flag growing in here, and again, one more breakdown of this backside of this trend here. You can see this is basically what we're looking at. Again, we're either going to shoot, say, 25 points higher tomorrow to 11. Call it 1125, or we're going to break down that 1170 and get down to about that I think 1055, 1045 area. Still is probably a good pullback if we don't break a new high tomorrow on Friday. Again, Fed heads have been talking. Bernanke's talking again tomorrow. Volume is big on the sell-offs, and you can see it here. I'm going to point the days that we sell off. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, here's 5. These are all big sell-off days. We had a big sell-off here and a big sell-off here, and all the big red arrows that you can see come when there are big downside volume. Other than that, the little days in here are all grindy, small gain upside days. And again, 80 points off the October jobs number. We're at October 23rd tomorrow. We've got a week left until November. Again, are we going to get to 1120 here tomorrow? Maybe tomorrow's the day. I don't know. That is the 50% retrace. We're definitely battling up here. Oil's trading 81.5 again. Euro's up at all-time highs. Again, we hit new highs on the euro. Was trading 150.61. I took a little short in that earlier. It's trading. I sold it actually at 150.33 on the come down. It has hit 150.61 overnight. So again, trying to take a little bit more out of that today. I took about 40 pips out of it last night. We'll see if we can do it again. It's trading right about where I entered right now, 150.31 as we speak. So interest rates again have been rising, which you would again expect. Let's take a look at that 10-year here real quick, and you can see the 10-year trading 117.76. It is pushing as 10-year rates continue to go higher. The TNX is going higher. 10-year is pushing back down here again. Again, we had sold this last week. Pulled off about a full point out of it down here at 118. Now down to new lows. I have no position in it right now, but this trend is clearly lower on the 10-year bond right now until we make that new high over 120. Interest rates do appear to be going higher. Again, on the metal side, gold is continuing to work its way. It's kind of doing the same thing as the S&P. It's kind of hanging up near that top there, and you can see that again here, 1060. It's been as high as 1072, but the last 6 or 7 days has just been grinding here with really a band. Again, we've talked about this 1045, 1070. We've got a 25-point range here that we've been stuck in now for almost 2 solid weeks. So the next move above this or below this will be probably a 25-point mirrored move. So that's again, shoot for 1020 if we break 1045, shoot for 1095, 1100 if we get over 1070. So that's about it. We'll be back here tomorrow. Again, if interested in our private Twitter and video feed, some fantastic opportunities. Pricing for the year is listed below. Check out the information. You can pay via PayPal and come into the room for a full year. We've had a lot of new people join the room. It's been exciting, and we look forward to seeing you here and joining us on the trading team. Okay, peace.